Why the Spotify software is not working properly. Today we will discuss the complete details. Don't skip the video, watch the full video. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem TechBD. Today I will discuss how to fix Spotify very high quality not working. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings. Open the date and time settings. Tap set time automatically to reset time to whatever location you are currently at. Click back. Click about device. Click storage. Then click clean up. Click clean. Click back. Click apps. Click app management. Find Spotify app. Click Spotify. Click uninstall button. Click OK. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Spotify. Click Spotify. If there is any problem during installation, then don't worry, we will solve it. Open any browser. Then search Spotify APK. Open the first website link. Then download the software and install it. Then open the Spotify software. Log in your account. If your problem is not resolved after following all the steps, it means that the Spotify server is down. Try again after a while. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.